What's going on, man? I'm out here at the dealership, man. Trying to get my oil change on the Ram. They still don't have much on the lot, man. I'm gonna go ahead and take a walk around it, man, and see what they got going on, man. The lot's still pretty empty, though. Still pretty empty, but got a couple of cars, a couple of trucks, but I'm gonna go check them out, man. Got that green 392. Clean. How much they want? They got a couple of trucks, but you can see this lot is empty, man. How much they want for this thing? 60. Or a challenge. Man, I love this color right here. God dang. This one is 56. I love that color right there, though. Yep. Got a couple of Jeeps. So that TA thing. I think this is a V6 right here. Charger 3T GT blacktop. 41. Yep. The TA they want like 55. They don't really have much, but I love that color right there. As you can see, the lot is pretty much empty. Yep. This blue thing right here. 76 GMC Denali. Thing nice, man. Hey. Elevation, what is that? I don't like the little small door. They want 57 for this one. Nice. Here we go. This one is 63. That black though, man. Nice though. The Sierra is 61. Yep. It's nice. Y'all can see, man, I'm here getting that oil changed, man. Got the Ram cleaned up. Oh yeah. Yeah, man, so I'm through with this oil change, but like I say, man, I went on the lot, man, tried to find something, but it's not much, man. I talked to a salesman, they say they got some orders in. So I'll see what they got coming in. But yeah, man, thank y'all for watching, man. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you on the next one.